What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Chris Moore, and then today, yeah, that's right, boys, we're at the drag strip. Finally, the time has come, the last Chris Moore drag race school of the year. It is October. The weather is oh so perfect here in South Carolina. We're out here today. We're gonna have some fun. We've got 13 students in today's class. We're gonna teach them everything from the most basic to the most advanced when it comes to drag racing. We got guys in here that's never even done a burnout before, never made a pass before a day in their life, and we're gonna teach them everything they need to know. They're gonna start at the beginning and work their way up and build a skill set in order to go home and practice off of, in order to get faster, faster, faster. Remember, guys, I started drag racing 24 years ago. Yeah, that's right, when I was 12 years old. I'm 36, for those of you not good at math. But anyways, started at the bottom, practice, practice, practice. Here we are, El Champions of the world. 630, 233 mile an hour world record holders, guys. Let's see what we can make out of these guys behind us. Let's go. That's it. 622, 110. Good job. Good pass. 662, 112. going there. Did all the shift, that's a good pass. 673, 110. School, everybody got faster. No one tore their bike up, nobody got hurt. That's what we like to see. Every single student in today's class went faster than they've ever been and made consistent passes all day long. That's the name of the game, guys, especially when you can come out and race all day and not tear up anything. Cannot be more excited for my group of students today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you want to get in on the next Chris Moore Drag Race School, hit us up, moremafia.com. You can sign up. We'll have the 2022 race season, or I guess you say the school season schedule, posted soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, and we'll see you next time.